In Camtasia, there are different ways to import local media files. So over here in the media bin, you can import as many media files as you want. So in order to do that, I can right click over here and there are some options right here. So we are focusing on importing local media on this particular lesson. So we're just going to click on import media. And once we do that, we can import out the videos just like this, as you can see right there. I can also go around here. Let's say, for example, you have a folder and you need to bring in medias right here. You can simply click and drag it out and bring it onto the media bin as well. And it has been imported there. You can do the same with other type of media files which is supported, like for example, MOV or anything as such. For example, like let's say, for example, the audio files that you want to import and so forth. So all of it can be imported out just like that. You can also go around over here and then import out PDF files. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go to import media right there, and then I'm going to go on to my TTT drive right here. And let's say I want to import some PDF file. I'm just going to import out this over here. So there's a PDF file that I have. So if I were to open that out, the PDF file is imported and it is there as a transparent file, as you can see. But only the first page of the PDF file is important, and that is something that you should know while you're importing out PDF files. And all of it is arranged out. As you can see that it has been arranged out in audio, images, and videos, as you can see. And you can sort it out in different ways. You can sort it out by name. You can sort it out by duration, dimensions, and so forth, as you can see right here. And this is how you can import out different medias right here. You can also go over here and click on import media as well. And you can also go over here and then click on import media, and that does the same thing. So you can import out different medias and different PDF files and everything else just like that. So as you're working along, then what also happens is that your space, your media bin starts to get crowded up. And let's say, for example, you use this footage right here somewhere. There are a lot of footage that you use, but you don't want to keep out the footages that are unused. So in order to clear things up from your media bin, you can simply right click anywhere just like this and click on select unused media, and you know that these are the unused medias right there. So you can choose whether to keep them or just delete them. Or what you can also do is right click and delete unused media directly so that all of them are just cleared out. And that is how you can import local media and PDF files and delete unused media inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.